welcome to abbmathchamp. My name is abbmathchamp and you're a tutor for today. So today we'll be talking about something called algebraic expressions. It sounds a little bit weird because I'm not sure if you've heard of it before. If you haven't, let's try and figure out what it is and then we'll see. So I'll write some things down, then we'll check if it's an algebraic expression or not. So I have x plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 2, and then finally 1 plus 5. So an expression basically is made up of variables, operation signs, and then numbers without an equal to sign. Without. So here we can rule this out that it's not an algebraic expression because it has an equal to sign. So if it's not an algebraic expression, what is it? It's an equation because of the equal to sign. Yes, it has a variable. I need to explain a variable. Okay, so a variable is an alphabet used to substitute a number you don't know. So here x is used to substitute a number that we don't know. So x here can be -3, but we didn't know. So we will substitute it with x. So that's the variable. So here we have a variable. We have a number, but because of the equal to sign, it's not an algebraic expression. Here we don't have a variable, so it's not an algebraic expression. It's rather a numerical expression. Here we have a variable, an operational sign, which is the addition sign, and then we also have 5, which is a number. So this makes it an algebraic expression. So we rule this out. This is also out. This is our algebraic expression. So what do we want to do today? We want to write an algebraic expression when you are given it in a sentence form. So let's try this question. X is a number. Write down an expression for a number which is 5 more than x, 2 less than x, and double x. So if you can try, please do try. Pause the video and try it before we solve it together. So x is the number here. And we are saying that we have 5 more than x. We are writing an expression 5 more than x. So we have your x, but then it is 5 more than. So the more than here represents addition. So you're adding 5 to it because it's greater than x by 5. So the answer for A is x plus 5. Let's go to B. It is 2 less than x, less than x. Less than, which means subtraction over here. So we have our x, but then it is less than x by 2. So x minus 2. That's for B. And then our final one, which is double x. Whenever you say you have double of something, it means you have 2 of it. So we mean that we have 1x and we have another one, 2 of the same thing. And then you're adding it. So let's say I have this. Now say I have double of it. So I'll get the same thing. Although I don't have the same thing, but let's just use this. So it means I have 1 and 2. So it means I have 2 of these. So here it can mean we have 2x. But I want to explain something here about adding them. When you're adding, you have to check if they are like terms or non-like terms. So let's say this 2xy, 2x squared y, and 3xy. So to know if they are like terms or not, you check their variables, which I've already explained, and then you check their exponents. The exponents are normally written on top, but when they are not written, it means it's 1. So here it's 1, it's 2, it's 1, it's 1, it's 1. You see that these 2xy and 3xy, they have the same variables and the same exponents as well. But for 2x squared y and the rest, they are not the same because here is 2, here is 1, and here is also 1. So for x plus x, we can see that they are like terms, alright, because they have the same variables with the same exponents. So x plus x can also be written as 1x plus 1x, but you don't write the 1, okay? So that is 2x. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question at all, please do leave it in the comment section. It's very important. And like, subscribe, and then share with your friends. Thank you.